Okay, so we're heading into the Deli Factory. Sawadee ka. How are you? Sawadee ka. Oh. I take 2 to go.
Okay, you want cream cheese?
Huh?
You want cream cheese?
No, no heat, no cream cheese, just like that. No seed, no seed. Yeah, hot today. Yeah. So got for YouTube to tell my friends about Deli Factory. What's this road here? How you say?
This name road?
Yeah.
Bongkot Road ค่ะ
Bongkat.
Bongkot ค่ะ
Bongkat Road. Yeah, okay. Beautiful imported deli. Tiramisu, rum balls, imported cheeses. Okay. 1 minute, my money in the bike. I'm crazy. Ding dong. Okay, try this again. Okay, we try again. Okay. Went up. 20, 40, 60, 80. Thank you, Kapun Krab. Okay, I go home now. Okay, everybody, the Deli Factory, thank you.
Thank you ค่ะ
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi You make YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have. Where's Dano? I write for you. I show you. No, my phone in the car. I can write for you. Yeah, on YouTube.
I work soon ใน by global like this 6 ปีแล้ว
Where's Dano? Oh,
Yes I look after
okay. No need. Yeah, on YouTube. You can see.
Yes Thank
Yeah.
you ค่ะ
Okay, thank you. Bye. What's your name?
Diamond
Diamond.
Yes my
And?
name Sand
Huh?
Sand
Okay. See you later. Thank you. Kapun Krab. Everything here very good. Okay, I'm not using that helmet, just going down the block. Anyway, we're going to say goodbye, guys, now. But this is Deli Factory. And we'll see you soon.